Hi guys, we're going to make a banana mug cake for today. So we're going to use a Pyrex. So we're going to need one ripe banana. I'm going to peel it first. And by the way, the taste of your cake depends on the ripeness of your banana. So we're going to cut it into small pieces. We're going to put it in the mortar and pestle. I'm going to mash it. Let's pour it in the Pyrex. Here's 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to microwave it and melt it. And here it is. Let's pour it in the Pyrex. We need 1 egg also. Here's the honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. So this is the healthy option instead of using sugar. Here's 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to mix all the wet ingredients. Let's put 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. By the way, we're going to put dry ingredients now. Here's 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to mix it. Going to cut small pieces. This will be the garnish of the cake. 2 minutes in the microwave, and here it is done. So now let's put the sliced banana on top, because presentation is the key. You can also put powdered sugar if you prefer not healthy, but we can use honey instead. And we are done. Healthy banana mug cake. Hi guys, thanks for watching my video for the healthy banana mug cake. And for more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified for my next videos. Bye!